Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Quick look at the tropics. No concerns for us here in Flagler County. Remains a Florence, even though this has been downgraded. It's still going to produce very heavy rainfall as it moves off to the northeast. So if you're traveling anywhere up in this direction, just check ahead. There's still significant disruptions going on in North Carolina. Elsewhere in the tropics, a system, Joyce, what's left of Joyce fading away over in the far eastern Atlantic. Now, what's left of Isaac has a very, very, very low chance of trying to get organized somewhere in this region here over the next 5 days. But it has an extremely low chance, so nothing for us to worry about. But just a reminder, we are in a hurricane season, goes all the way to November, so stay prepared. Preparedness advice is at flaglercounty.org/emergency. Take a look at our local weather. Next few days, expect a dry southwest, a light southerly wind flow. And what that's going to do is kind of push the temperatures up and push any showers and thunderstorms that pop up over the central part of the state, kind of push them towards the east coast. A sea breeze might get going and kind of cause some of those storms to blow up to the west of Bunnell, but the general motion will be off to the east coast, albeit very slowly. Some of these could be erratic in movement, but as we get towards the middle part of the week and the latter part of the week, the wind flow is going to change. It's going to start coming in onshore, and that's going to have a tendency to push all the showers and storms inland and away from Flagler County, though we can't rule out the odd shower or storm blowing in from the ocean. If we get any of that, it's more likely in the mornings, but better chances of rain shifting west as we go towards the latter part of the week. That onshore wind flow, though, will help cool the temperatures down just a bit. So an overview, what to expect: hot with a chance of a shower or storm through the middle part of the week, and then just a bit cooler for the latter part of the week. Still a continued chance of a shower or storm, but the better chances will be inland. And just a reminder that any storm will carry the risk of squally winds, dangerous lightning, and torrential downpours. So let's go ahead and take a look at our forecast details. In the mornings, at least to the middle part of the week, largely sunny, maybe a few bits of patchy cloud here and there. And then as we get towards the latter part of the week, the odd shower coming in off the ocean cannot be ruled out. Now, as we get into the afternoon and evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms can be expected. There might be more hit or miss than scattered, but the better chances of getting wet would be west of Bunnell, but all areas of the county may see a shower or a storm, especially as we go through Wednesday. High temperatures in the lower 90s. Heat indexes are going to make it feel hotter than that, so make sure you're staying hydrated. Low temperatures in the mid to maybe upper 70s at night due to those warm ocean temperatures nearby and all that warm air. As we go through Thursday, the pattern changes just a bit. Temperatures come down just a bit. Largely sunny. Best chances of showers or storms will be inland, though we can't rule one out along the beaches in the morning. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. And look for a chance of showers or storms to stay with us as we go towards the weekend. Right now, it looks like the better chances of that are going to be inland, but there's a few variations of that. We'll be back before then to give you an update. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. Definitely a bit cooler than it's been as of late. At the beaches, surf 3 to 4 feet. Surf temperature, a nice balmy 85 degrees. That's warm ocean water, folks. High risk of rip currents, and the rip current risk should be coming down as we go through this week, but still just be aware there could be some rips and longshore currents, that sort of thing, at the beaches this week due to the beaches being beaten up a little bit by the waves we had earlier on. The UV index remains to be very high, so make sure you get your sunblock on. So stay informed. Weather is always changing. FlaglerCounty.org. You hover your mouse over webcams and weather. You can get the latest information from the Weather Service. You can also check out our webcams and see what's going on live anywhere along the east coast of Flagler County. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there to make sure you get notified of anything. And if you have a weather alert radio, it's another great resource for staying informed and keep up on the tropics. Go to hurricanes.gov. That's going to wrap things up in the Emergency Operations Center. Have a lovely week. We should be back about Thursday.